Algoclear, an effective solution for cleaning roofs and renders. Maintaining the exterior of your home is essential for preserving its curb appeal and structural integrity. Over time, roofs and renders can accumulate dirt, algae, moss and other organic matter, diminishing the overall appearance and potentially causing damage. To combat these issues, Algoclear has emerged as a popular and effective solution. In this vlog, we'll explore the benefits and features of using Algoclear as a powerful cleaner for roofs and renders, ensuring a cleaner and more attractive exterior for your home. Algoclear is an advanced cleaning formula designed to tackle stubborn dirt, algae, moss and lichen that can accumulate on roofs and renders. Its powerful blend of active ingredients effectively eliminates organic growth and lifts dirt, restoring the surface to its original condition. This unique formula allows for efficient and thorough cleaning, helping to revitalise the appearance of your roof and renders. Safe and environmentally friendly. One of the significant advantages of Algoclear is its safety and environmental friendliness. Unlike some traditional cleaning methods that involve harsh chemicals, Algoclear utilises biodegradable ingredients that are safe for both users and the environment. It is a water-based solution that does not contain bleach or other harmful substances, ensuring that it won't cause damage or discoloration to your roof or renders. This eco-friendly approach makes Algoclear a responsible choice for homeowners prioritising sustainability. Long-lasting protection. In addition to its cleaning prowess, Algoclear provides long-lasting protection against future growth. Eliminating algae, moss and other organic matter creates an inhospitable environment for their re-establishment. This preventative aspect helps to maintain the cleanliness of your roof and renders for an extended period, reducing the frequency of cleaning required. Easy application and versatility. Algoclear is designed for user-friendly applications. It can be applied using low-pressure sprayer, roller, brush, making it suitable for various surfaces and textures. Whether your roof is made of tiles, shingles or metal, or your renders are composed of brick, concrete or stucco, Algoclear is compatible with a wide range of materials. Its versatility allows for efficient cleaning on different exterior surfaces, ensuring that your entire home looks rejuvenated. We use Algoclear in conjunction with other methods and chemicals to achieve the best possible result. Cost-effective solution. Investing in Algoclear is a cost-effective solution for your roof and render cleaning. By effectively removing dirt, algae and moss, it helps to maintain the condition of your roof and renders, potentially saving you from expensive repairs or replacing it in the long run. Its long-lasting protection also reduces frequency of cleaning required, leading to further cost savings. With Algoclear, you can achieve impressive results without breaking the bank. Our conclusion: Algoclear offers a powerful and eco-friendly solution for cleaning roofs and renders. Its advanced cleaning formula and its long-lasting protection can ensure a cleaner and more attractive exterior for your home. By investing in Algoclear, you can effectively remove dirt, algae, moss and other organic growth while maintaining the integrity of your home, roofs and renders. We have extensive training and experience in applying Algoclear. Various render manufacturers have recommended us as well as different suppliers. If you would like to talk to one of our team to see how we can help you with cleaning your building, then please get in touch.